Today we're doing Chain Together in Animal Company with him. Bobo plays VR.
Yeah.
And also, this was inspired by JCE, is what he said. I have watched that guy, but still, I don't watch him that much. It is like, what? Stop going! Is it pulling you? It's pulling me, kind of. So, it works. See, it works. But we're doing Chain Together. Our goal is to be office, sewers, and lake. It's gonna be a long one.
Yeah.
So let's go. I got better. I need to get light source.
Wait, we're allowed to. Actually, no, we are not allowed to use any type of movement.
Yep. So we just
At least
gotta.
our hands.
So this is gonna be heck a lot of a journey. Also, if we use weapons, then we're just gonna blow the egg away. So right now, hold on. You stand still. Stand still. Is it pulling you, or is it just pulling
Yes,
you?
it is.
Yes, it's pulling you.
me.
But now, if I stand still and you run, why isn't it pulling me? Your grappler detached.
Wait, you ungrapple from it, and now we grapple at the same time. Three,
3, 2,
two,
1.
one, go. Okay, that should work.
Now it's stuck to the ground. Now it's like an anchor. And then
It's fine, we're still chained together.
and it still prevents us from moving pretty well. So, oh yeah, I need to not fart. Oh, if we pick it up, then it will unchain. So we gotta get through this first obstacle.
Yeah, just keep going forward.
Oh yeah, it's pulling me. Help me! Help! This thing's like an anchor. Wait, if we go this way, up the hill, maybe.
Wait, get it. It goes up this way. Oh, yes, we made it.
Let's go. All right, W.
W.
All right, so now we gotta. Oh wait, hold on. Am I unattached? Yeah, so we gotta go grab it.
Oh,
It's stuck.
Good thing I have extra.
Let's go. W for bringing the extra. All right, let's go. So if we get to the Duke machine, then we'll count that as a win. Oh no. We'll have to go up at the same time. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. No. Oh, that's fine. It still works. So as long as you. No, did you fall?
The egg was stuck.
Jesus, it just slammed me down.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I went down. 3, 2, 1, go. The egg is following me.
Did you like that? Am I gonna slam down? Oh wait, hold on. It detached.
Where's the
We're gonna need
egg?
another. At this point, should I just put a counter on the screen for how many times we needed a new egg? All right.
2.
Oh. Well, I guess this works. Don't let go this time.
We made it.
Let's go.
Now this is gonna be a bit hard.
Oh no. Come on.
Pitch climb.
Let's go. Let's go.
We made it.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. Movement so
they
slow,
close.
but so powerful.
Wait, is it pulling you?
It's following more towards you.
Wait, our goal shall be to try and dupe something.
No.
Okay,
We're not gonna do something in here, or else that would take too long. And I'm a bit lazy. So we have our first monster. I forgot the dogs were here. Ah! Please! Open the goddamn door. Open it! Open it! What the fuck happened? Ah! Well, that is a nice lock. Yep.
William, actually, should we do on cave?
Oh, cave would be even more important.
No, that cave over there.
Oh, what? The cave up there?
Yeah.
Okay, that wouldn't be that bad. Sure, we can try and do that.
But one of us needs to have a weapon.
Wait!
Because that would.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You said no movement items. I was about to say, what if we brought a telegun? But no, that's cheating.
I just got the yellow egg.
Egg! Yellow egg.
And it's cheaper than the blue egg.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Okay.
Nice. Alright, this will be our anchor
yellow
egg
egg.
for now.
W yellow egg.
You aren't anchored, W. Alright, so now our next goal is cave, because it's gonna be hopefully easier. Wait, hold on. If one of
Wait, we
us...
forgot to bring a weapon.
Wait, I said no weapons.
No, we need to because of that little guy.
What little... Oh, no, the Labubu. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So...
I'll just bring
Ahem.
it
Ahem. Ahem.
No. Bad.
Yes,
Bad
yes,
boy.
Yes. Yes.
Bad boy.
Yes.
Bad boy.
Yes.
That will blow the egg away.
Oh, good point. I guess it's better if I boom boom now.
Boom boom.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Anyways, we'll do... Stupid! So this yellow egg is really getting me mad at you. Alright, let's go. Hold on. Let's have you grapple it first. Because I don't think... Okay.
It's like an anchor. So, we both go up this plank.
Wait.
I'm going up this plank.
Please don't get stuck, anchor. Alright.
Okay, the anchor didn't get stuck.
Why are we calling it anchor?
I don't know.
Should we calling it like chain? Or something.
Yeah. I don't have a weapon.
Is there any other monsters here other than the Labubu?
Spiders.
Oh, crap. Yeah, that's right, spider. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Well,
We need a bonus egg.
bonus egg.
Hold on, you grapple to it. And then I grapple to it. Hey! No! I want to go. Hey!
Wait, I'm trying grabbing the Labubu and then letting
wait.
you kill it.
Yeah, we can't jump over the landmines because the egg could activate it. Because remember, items can activate it. Okay, we gotta maneuver around it. It's over. Hey, the way's over here. Baba! Ugh, I'm scared. Come on. Just go for it. Alright. Good. I think that might be our biggest, enemy here. I see you, Labubu. Move out the way!
It's dead.
Killed him.
There's
Another
another
one. He's dead. Please have ammo in it. Wrong ammo. Ammo? Ooh, revolver. Where'd you go? Oh. You have a hip slot. Put your pickaxe on your hip slot.
Wait. Huh?
Hello? Hello?
You're kind of away.
You're kind of laggy too.
Oh, I actually don't grab the egg.
Alright, let's go. Wait.
It was fun.
It was on the landmine! Oh, here it is. We're gonna have to jump at the same time. 3, 2, 1!
We made it.
We gotta go up
2,
now.
1. Our goal is to make it to that weird word.
Oh no.
thing.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on, come on, get up. Get up. Alright. Got it. So now, you might... What? I don't remember this being a part A.
I'm just saying Armstrong might be here.
Oh, poop. No! You keep hitting me!
Poop. Ah. There's another one.
Oh my god. I hate the face creatures. The Labubu. I fell. I am No. Whoa. Okay. This time we really cannot fall. I guess I can do it. No, no. Come on, get up. Come over here, come over here, come over here.
Oh, very beautiful.
I hear it. That's fine. Ooh, the egg almost pushed me off. No, no, it's gonna kill. Alright, now we need to re-anchor. Alright, now I need to... You do it? Alright, now you can talk.
No.
Finally. Finally.
So fun.
Ah!
Remember, we can... I'm not moving to hit one. Just getting under. And this is...
Oh, no!
Our goal is to get to the blob.
I don't have to do anything. I like this. Well, are we using the skip?
No.
Oh, it's... Where is it? Oh.
But I think that we can still make it. We're re-anchoring. It's stuck.
I think we might only just do this cave, bro. Because this is tucking really... Maybe we'll do like... Finally, we made it to the fatty. I haven't seen it in a really long time. Like, since the... Breaker chain!
Eat it!
I'm happy that this challenge is over. So now I can kill myself. Hey, don't actually kill yourself. But in video games, you can. Problem. Yep, it's bad if you do it in real life, because we do. Your loved ones. Very, very sad. And also, number leave. Good to know. Anyways, that's the end of it.
Finally.
Maybe we can make a part 2. Maybe not.
Yeah,
Because the cave
maybe
took
we will
way
make
too
a part
long.
2.
But yeah. Anyways, I'm a goofy goober.